On this video today, I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to create your CPAGrip accounts. Wherever you are in the world, you can create an account for free without paying for anything. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. Just scroll down and then come right here, click on offer tools. Once you click on offer tools, you are going to select my offers. Once you select my offers, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to find offers to promote. So you have to consider the country where you want to promote the offers. CPA offers, they are country specific, so you are not allowed to promote the offers anywhere in the world. Each of the offers are allowed in a specific country, so you have to find a country where you have a traffic source so that you can promote the offers there. You can see right here the country is United Kingdom. If you don't have a traffic source in the United Kingdom, what you have to do is that you have to just click right here and then select the country where you have the traffic source. You can see there are many countries. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. Once that is done, you are also going to consider the type of offers that you want to promote. If you want to promote offers that are allowed on desktop and mobile devices, you can select this option right here. If you want offers that are allowed on only desktop, you can select this option. If you want offers that are allowed on only mobile devices, you can select right here. You can see you can filter the offers. If you want, you can click right here and then select a category. In case you don't know which of the offers that you have to promote, you can just leave it like that and then scroll down. Once you scroll down, what you have to do is that you have to consider the payout. You can see this offer right here. The payout is $4.10 per every lead that you get, but you can see the requirement is very hard. Your potential customer has to enter his or her credit card details before you are paid $4.10. Sometimes it is difficult to get people to enter their credit card details online, so offers like this, sometimes you are not going to earn a lot of money. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then look for another offer. You can see this offer right here. The payout is 51 cents and you can see the requirement is PIN submit. So your potential customer have to enter a PIN code. Once they enter the PIN code, they can stand the chance of winning iPhone 14 and you are going to be paid 51 cents. As I scroll down, you can see many offers that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. You are not restricted. You can promote offers in any country that you want. So if you scroll down and then find out that all the offers they have lower payout, you can come right here and then select another country so that you can get offers that have a higher payout. In this case, I'm going to be searching for Luxembourg. I found offers here that have a higher payout. You can see right here I've changed the country to Luxembourg. So if you want, you can select any European countries. So once you select the country, you have to scroll down to find out if you get offers that have a higher payout. You can see in Luxembourg you can get offers that will pay you $17.11 per every lead. You can see this one right here, 8 cents. So as I scroll, you can see many offers. You can see this one right here, you're going to be earning $11.98 per every lead, and you can see the requirement is very easy. Your potential visitor has to enter a PIN code on a desktop device. Once they do so, you are going to be earning $11.98. You can see this one right here, $17.11, and the requirement is that your potential visitor has to enter a PIN code on a desktop. Once they do so, you are going to be earning the payout right here. So you can see there are many offers right here that you can promote to earn money. You can see a whole lot of them. The language doesn't matter, so even if you don't understand the language, you have to get the right people to click through your link. Once they click through, they will understand the language and then take the action for you to make money. As I scroll, you can see many offers that you can promote in Luxembourg. So you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people from Luxembourg to click through your link and then take the action for you to make money. So in case you want to understand the titles, you can use Google Translate and then translate these titles. Once you translate them, you can get to understand. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select one of these offers so that I can demonstrate step by step on how to promote them to earn money on CPAGrip. So now what you have to do is that you have to select any of them. In this case, I'm going to be selecting this offer right here. You can see the payout is $17.11. You can see the requirement is that your potential visitor has to enter a PIN code on a mobile device. Once they do so, we are going to be earning the payout right here. So what you have to do is that you have to click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. So just click on the name of the offer. Once you click on the name of the offer, you can see it right here. This is your affiliate link. You can see it and you can see the warning right here. this offer is only allowed on mobile device, all mobile devices, and you can see it is only allowed in Lamsbeck. You can see it right here. You can see right here, this is your payout. If you want, you can select any domain that you want. You can see they have a lot of domains that you can select. Once that is done, if you want to understand the title of the offer, you can just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to search for Google Translate. Once you search for Google Translate, you can translate the text to any language that you understand. So as you can see, this is the page of the Google Translate. So let me just paste the text right here. Once you paste it, you can see this is the translation. Download the latest content now. So it is a content that your potential visitors have to download onto their devices. So once they click on to download the latest content, you are going to be earning money. So it is very simple like that. Once you get to know what the offer is about, the next step is that you are going to find a traffic source whereby you can get people to click through your link and then enter the required details so that you can be earning money on CPAGrip. If you get people from different countries to click on your link, they are going to get different offers, so you are not going to be earning the $17.11. So make sure you take note of that. So you have to get people in Lamsbeck to click through your link and then take the necessary action for you to make money. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you the cheapest traffic source that you can use to get people in Lamsbeck to click through your link and then take the action for you to make money. To get cheap traffic, you have to come on this website, takulo.co. This website allows you to advertise your affiliate links at a cheaper cost. And the good news is that you can choose a lot of different ad formats that you want. You can see right here, they have push notification, in-page push, pop under, banner. So whatever option that you want, you can use it to promote your products on this platform. One good thing I like about this website is that your links are going to be getting a lot of impression every day. You can see right here, the average daily impression is 96 million in India. You can see in the United States, 95 million impression daily. You can see Russia, 75 million impression. You can see the rest. So what you have to do is that you have to sign up for an account so that you can take advantage of this particular cheap traffic source. To create an account, what you have to do is that you have to click right here to sign up for a free account, but make sure you sign up for advertiser accounts. Do not select publisher account, because if you select a publisher account, it means you want to be an affiliate to this particular website. But what we want to do is that we want to advertise our affiliate link, so you have to select advertisers account. So just select advertisers so that you can create your free accounts. In this case, I have created an account ahead of time, so I'm going to log in to show you step by step on how to run ads on this platform. So let me just log into my accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. You can see the accounts is 00 because this is a new account. So what you have to do is that you have to deposit money onto your account so that your ads can run on this website. To deposit money, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, add funds. Once you click on add funds, you can deposit money into your accounts using this payment method. I don't know how to pronounce it. You can see the second one is capitalist. You can use your Visa card or MasterCard. You can use Perfect Money. So whatever that you want, you can just select that option and then deposit money into your accounts. You can see the minimum amount is $100. So you have to deposit a minimum of $100 so that you can use it to run ads on this platform. Once you have your deposit, the next step is that you are going to begin running ads. To run ads, you have to click right here, new campaign, so that you can begin creating campaigns. Once you click on new campaign, you are going to give a name to your campaign. It has to be a name that you like, because no one is going to see this particular name. So just type any name that you want. In this case, I'm going to type CPA offer, just something like this, CPA offer. So if you want, you can change it. The name is just something that you want. No one is going to see it. Once you type the name of your campaign, the next step is that you are going to select the ad format. You can select any of these ad formats. In my experience, I advise you to select in-page push or push. I'm giving you this advice based on my experience, but if you want pop under, you can do that. In this case, I'm going to leave it with push. Once you select the ad format, the next step is that you are going to come right here. You can see traffic type. You can see dating and mainstream. You are going to select mainstream because the offer is not a dating offer. Once that is done, you are going to enter your affiliate link right here. If you want, you can build a landing page. If you don't want, you can just post a direct affiliate link right here. You can come back on CPAGrip and then copy your affiliate link. Once you come back, just select any tracking domain that you want. You can see that they have a lot of them. In this case, I'm going to select the second one. Once you select your tracking domain, the next step is that you're going to click right here, copy link. Once you copy your link, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your link, the next step is that you are going to come right here. You can see impression capping. If you want to limit the number of impressions that you get daily, you can switch it on, but I don't want that, so just switch it off. See, the next thing is clicks capping. If you want to limit the number of clicks per day, you can just switch it on and then enter the number right here. In this case, I don't want that, so you can just switch it off. Once that is done, you can see right here title, so you have to paste the title of the offer that you are promoting right here. Just come back on CPAGrip and then copy the title of the offer. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. The next step is that you are going to paste a message here, that is the call to action. So you have to come back on CPAGrip and then copy this particular call to action. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. Just paste it. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have your call to action, you can add emoji to it if you like. So you can just select any of them. You can see you can select as many of them that you want. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here icon, image, and then you can see image. So we are going to upload an image of the offer right here. You can see this is optional, but this one you must upload the image. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPAGrip again. Once you come back on CPAGrip, you are going to right click on the image. Once you right click on it, you are going to select save images so that you can save the image of the offer. So once you click on it, just click on save. Once you save the image onto your device, you are going to click right here upload image. Once you click on upload image, you are going to select your image and then upload it. So as you can see, this is the image. Just click on it, click on open, and you can see the image is right here. So you have to crop it. Let's just crop it like this and then click on crop image. You can see this is the image, this is the icon image. If you want, you can upload the same image right here, or you can create a different one. In this case, I'm going to upload the same image right here. So just click on upload image. Once that is done, we are going to select the image, click on open, and you can see this is the image. So in this case, I'm going to bring it down right here. Once that is done, you are going to click on crop so that the image can be cropped. As you can see, that has been done. If you want, you can just click right here to preview it. In this case, I'm going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see right here targeting and bite. So you are going to select the platform that you are targeting. In this case, the offer is allowed on mobile devices, so you are going to select mobile device. Once that is done, you are going to select the operating system. In this case, the offer is allowed on all operating systems, so you have to leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to select the country. In this case, the offer is allowed in Luxembourg. So what you have to do is that you have to search for Luxembourg so that you can get the right people to take the necessary action for you to make money. So you can see the L category. So let's just scroll down. You can see Luxembourg right here. Just click on it. As you can see, that has been done. You can see cost per click, the amount that you are going to pay per every click that you get. You can see the minimum cost per click is this. And if you want the average, you can select that. You can see this is the maximum. In this case, I'm going to select the minimum. So as you can see, that is it. So anytime you get people to click on your link, you are going to be paying this amount. You can see that the amount is very low. So if you want, you can go with the average so that you can get many people to click through your link. If you don't want that, you can go with the minimum. So now it depends on your budget. If you know you can pay this amount, you are going to select that. If you want this, you can select that. In this case, I'm going to select the recommended one. Once you select that, you're going to scroll down and then click right here, create campaign, so that your campaign can go live. So just click on it, create campaign. Once you click on create campaign, you can see refill your balance. So you have to deposit money before your ad can go live onto this platform. The reason behind this video is that I just want you to get the idea so that you can deposit money and then use this platform to make money from home with little investment. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.